How to find Facebook Messenger link. Now, if you haven't downloaded Messenger yet, you can simply go to your Play Store if you're using an Android device and just head directly to the search bar by searching Messenger. So you'll have to choose on the second result right here. So as you can see, there is actually an update button there. So I'll have to, or you have to update it before you do this method. So just simply go ahead and access your Messenger application and then go to the three lines located at the upper left of your screen and then go to the gear icon, which is your user settings. And if you scroll down a bit till you find username, tap on that. This is gonna be your Facebook Messenger link. So you can choose either to copy it or you can choose to edit username. So that's it. That's how you can find your Facebook Messenger link. All you have to do is just to go to the three lines at the top left corner, and then go to your user settings and find username, and you can check it by there.